Ever since I was a child, I've yearned to visit this place, especially during the magical winters. The idea of snow has always fascinated me like a magic. And today, I can affirm with conviction that my childhood musings were not in vain. I stand here now gazing upon this land, and it begs the question, does magic beget paradise or does paradise birth magic? The answer eludes me, but one thing is certain, this is a dream you must dare to dream. Welcome to paradise. The story unfolds in the heart of Kashmir. It is like a warm embrace before we prepare to slip, jump, and melt into the snow. Here, time seems to pause while the birds sing to the Himalayan dreams. Shimmering streams mirror your heart, and people radiate a warmth that transcends the chill. The city is like a beautifully crafted poem, carries a unique meaning and feeling for each soul that gazes upon it. For some, it's a bustling shopping heaven amidst the vibrant colors and fragrances. Lal Chowk is where history, culture, and commerce seemingly converge. Stroll through its lanes and you will find treasures aplenty. And as you explore Lal Chowk, you might stumble upon one of the oldest and most cherished dishes that is cooked through the night called harissa. Trust me, in that cold, as I took my first bite of harissa, I couldn't help but fall in love to this humble ball. And there, amidst the bustling market city of Lal Chowk, I found a piece of Srinagar's soul. But hey, don't limit yourself here. You could try Gostaba and infamous Rogan Josh as well. So once we filled our tummies, it's time to fill our soul. This is the most visited place in Srinagar. Locals say that in ages past, when the world was young, Dal Lake was a mirror to the heavens. It was said that those who gazed into its tranquil waters would glimpse the dreams of Himalayas. The pristine waters and shikaras whisper stories from long ago. And Dal Lake is more than just a breathtaking tourist destination. It is the primary source of livelihood for many people. Its houseboats, floating markets, and close-knit society have become an integral part of the lake. But life on Dal Lake is not without its challenges. The lake faces pollution and encroachment, threatening its unique way of life. There are a lot of local initiatives and activists working tirelessly to preserve the ecosystem. I only wish for the tourists and travelers to act responsibly. Having said that, shikaras gracefully glide on lake's waters with lovers, poets, and dreamers through time, filling the air with millions of tales. And here, time literally slows down and lets you connect to the very heart of the land. The gentle ripples of the water, chirping birds, and warm hues of the sky. As sun sets on Dal Lake, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over them. All that you could do is take a deep breath and let yourself soak in the beauty and feel the warmth of the setting sun on your skin. Srinagar, with its endless stories, is indeed a poem that one must experience to truly understand. It's a journey through time where history and nature intertwine, welcoming you to become a part of a story that you will cherish forever. Is it the thrill of skiing, or the alpine meadows, or the snowscapes? What makes Gulmarg so different? Personally, I don't think it's easy to put into words. You need to experience it. So, someone told me that Mughal Emperor Jahangir wandered through the meadows, and upon seeing the natural splendor of Gulmarg, he uttered, "If there is paradise on earth, it is here. It is here. And it is here." And I second that, because the rolling meadows of Gulmarg must have been painted by the hand of gods themselves. And Gulmarg is not limited to snow-capped mountains. It is one of the best ski destinations in Asia. Gulmarg's gentle slopes are perfect for first-timers. The more advanced skiers also have the option of skiing down from the higher points, thanks to the cable cars that takes you up to both the points. For non-skiers like us, don't worry, you can still enjoy the cable car rides and try skiing and sledge rides at phase 1. Just make sure to negotiate wisely. You could also sip warm kava, slurp soupy maggies, and savor hot momos. Watch over the pristine slopes and the snow-covered pine trees and simply enjoy the winter wonderland. What we witnessed next was a pure example of how magnificent nature can be. A frozen marvel and otherworldly presence that is nothing short of magic. The once rushing waters freeze into a mesmerizing masterpiece, an icy marvel that defies the imagination. If you are in Gulmarg, this is something that you should never miss.